In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar in Google Sites. Full tutorial 2026. If you want your visitors to find pages quickly and keep navigation consistent across your site, switching to a sidebar layout is a simple, effective upgrade. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, and I'll share a few quick tips so your sidebar feels clean and intuitive. First, open your site in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the editable version of your site, not a published preview. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the editing toolbar on the right and your site frame in the main area. Next, look to the very top of the editor for the gear icon. This is the Site Settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the Settings panel. It usually slides open on the right side of your screen and gives you a tidy list of options that control how your site behaves and looks. Inside the Settings panel, find the section labeled Navigation. This is where Google Sites lets you choose how your site's menu is displayed. There's a small drop-down or style selector at the top of this section. Click the drop-down to see the available navigation layouts. From the list, choose Side. The moment you select Side, Google Sites switches your navigation from the traditional top bar to a sidebar layout. You'll notice the header updates to show a menu icon, and your pages are now organized in a collapsible panel along the side. On larger screens, this gives visitors a clear vertical list of pages. On smaller screens, it tucks neatly behind a menu icon, keeping things mobile-friendly without extra work on your part. A few helpful notes as you review the change. The sidebar automatically reflects your site's existing page structure, including any nested subpages, so your hierarchy becomes a set of expandable sections. Short, descriptive page names read best in a narrow column, and consistent naming helps visitors scan quickly. Your current theme, fonts, and colors carry over to the sidebar, so it should already match your branding without additional tweaks. That's all it takes. Open your site in the editor, click the gear icon, open navigation, and select Side. With those clicks, you've turned your site's menu into a clean, space-saving sidebar that improves navigation on both desktop and mobile. If you ever want to compare layouts again, return to the same navigation setting and switch between styles in a single step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Google Sites sidebar.